Hello all, welcome back to our new session. So hope you all have done the activities which we have gave on yesterday. So we can sharp start at 9:10. Okay. So now it's 9 o'clock and we can sharp start at 9:10. Till that time, let's recall the last class topics and all. Okay. So we can start our session in few minutes. Okay. So now the things which yesterday I have given you a assignment. Find the area and perimeter of a square. Don't forget to include your GD. Okay, so that was our assignment, and the assignment was done by everybody. Okay, so from that assignments, we have choose some best assignment submitter. Means everybody have submitted the assignment correctly. You are of 909. Your batch contains of 980 students, and this 980 students, we got the result. AI is correcting your answers. 865 students have got the correct answers. Okay, your team has 980 students, and I will say now 880 students got the correct 880 students got the correct answer, and 100 did not got the correct answer. So at daily we will be some choosing, not the best assignment submitter, random assignment submitter we can say. Okay, bracket random selected means like a spin wheel. We will select 5 members daily and we will call their names. Okay, selected. So everybody have done it well. So now we can just go for the random selected assignment submitters. That is Aryan Kumar, Arjun, Joseph Kumar, Muhammad Ishan, and Muhammad Rehan S. So these 5 members was randomly selected as the best assignment submitters. Okay, so congratulations. So you can put some clap marks in the chat. Okay, so congrats. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, so at the last day, so now let's discuss the homework. Okay, let's discuss our assignment. Okay, in public, let's discuss the assignment. Okay, our assignment was to find area and perimeter of a square with Python. So from that, uh, you all know that the area of a square. So the area of a square. So before daily, we at 9 o'clock to 9:10, we will be just doing last day's assignment. Okay, at 9:10 only we will shortly start the class. Okay, so that's the area of a square. Now for S. Okay, that's the perimeter of a square. Okay, so that's the perimeter of a square. So from that we need to program it to find the area of a square and perimeter of a square. As I have said in the last classes, the two lines are common, and I have already wrote the this also. Wrote the format also. Okay. So now let's do. So at here there is come to our portal try Python. I have said in the last classes how to use the portal. So if it doesn't know tell, just watch our first recorded class. Okay. So I have said that when coming to this tab, just close this off. Okay. So now the next step is, so at here you can see that. So for area and perimeter of a square. So area. So first line, let's type area. So we can include a variable called A. So variable is not matter, but in some exams, variables matter. So according to which That will be more suitable. So A equal to int bracket input bracket. So then input, then bracket, inside the bracket. So area of a square is s square. Okay, means area of a square is equal to s square. Okay, s square is equal to area of a square. So we will be the first now. We will be typing enter the length of side. The length of any one side. Okay, that side square A is equal to its area. Yeah, side of any. Then there is the length of any side. Okay, so yesterday out of 980 students, 100 students got the wrong answers because they doesn't think. You need to think well. Okay, this okay. Now next thing is that area we have done. So next the second variable. So at here area and perimeter also. So we did not need for the square. We did not need any second variable. Okay, that's the main mistake there. So I will be saying this in public after starting our class. Okay, so that's more can hear before or let's do it at last. Okay, I will teach you first how to find a square of number. Okay, then we can go for it. Okay, at last we'll do it. So at last we'll do it. Okay, so first of all I will teach you that, but from that majority I have got the correct answers. Okay, I think they some persons have used the second variable also, but they have done it in a other way. That's but a wrong way. But the result gives correct. But the right and the easy way I am going to teach now. So some only 5 students have done in the previous method. That method I doesn't teach you, but done it correctly. Okay, more correctly. These 5 students have done it correctly. Aryan Kumar, Arjun, Joseph Kumar, Muhammad Ishan, Muhammad Rehanas. So these persons have done it more correctly. Okay. So hope you understand this. So we can start at 9:10. Okay. So let everybody joins. So let's just wait for everybody to join. So we can start within the next few minutes. Hope you have highlighted the first 2 lines. A equal to int bracket input bracket at starting in inverted quotes. Enter the first number, close it, and as per the rule, we will close it. So hope you have learned the rule also. Okay. So daily you need to learn this. Okay. So because at last you will be having a test. That test will be consisting of 100 marks. Okay. 100 marks test, and that test will be included on your certificate also. Okay, I like this dark mode. So if you need light mode, you just press here. Okay, so you will get this light mode. But I like, and my preference is to dark mode because dark mode will get color more good. I think it's more I like. See everything in a blue color. I doesn't prefer this. If you use dark mode, so every time when you're practicing, I recommend to practice with dark mode. Okay, otherwise it will be damageable to your eyes. So when we are programming a lot, dark mode is good. So it can save our eyes. So we can start in some few seconds. Okay. Now it's 9:09. We will be sharp starting at 9:10. Okay, so now it's 9:10 and let's start our session. So hello all, welcome back to our new session. So today we are going to learn the chapter 2, that's more and more programs. Okay, so chapter 2, more and more programs we will be learning today. Okay, so are you ready for learning that? So last day I have given you a assignment, and that assignment many have done in 2 lines. Okay, so it's really want to do it. No, many have done in 3 lines. May I just think 1, 2, 3. Yeah, some have done in 3 and some have done in 4. But that's all correct. But it want to be done in another method. So some persons have done it in another method. They are Aryan Kumar, Arjun, Joseph Kumar, Muhammad Ishan, and Muhammad Rayhanes. So these persons have submitted the assignment somehow correctly. So their name has been kept on the best assignment submitters list. Okay, so now let's start the session. So first of all, let's learn a program to get. So let's learn. First thing is program to find. First, let's learn program to find square or cube or power of a number. Okay, first of all, let's study that. Okay, so that's it simple. Okay, this assignment we can do later. Okay. Mm, okay. So program to find square, cube, or power of a number. So the first 2 lines are always common, but sometimes we will be only using first letter, first line. Sometimes we will be using the second line also. I have teached you here where see this common in every program by heart. Okay, so we can continue. So now first thing is A. Okay, so we can find square. So square, the first letter is S here. So every time when you are starting, use S. Okay, so you will in some type of exams, if you use A as variable, they will reduce the mark. Now, if it's area, you can use A, but according to that word, first letter will be more suitable. So S is equal to INT. Yeah, we can use any alphabet there. One person I asked. Okay, we can use A, B, C, D, F, G, H. There are 26 alphabets. We can choose any one alphabet from that. Okay. So now, first thing, S equal to INT bracket input. Then again a bracket. Inside that bracket, at inverted quotes, we will type there as enter the number. Enter the number. Okay. So we will be typing like that. So no need of second line. Because second line what? No need the second number. Okay. Only need the first number. So what is a square means? Okay. So you know that is what is a square means. Square means A into A. That number into that. Yeah. Number into that itself is its square. Okay, so that everybody knows that's a common. So that's for finding the square, only one line is required there. Okay, so at the second line you'll type A equal to S into S. So at here, when we are saying that we haven't used this, we have we have avoided this second line. Okay. So we avoided the second line. That's it. That's the difference from here. Okay. Now you can see the difference. Okay. So we doesn't write the second thing because we doesn't need a second number. Okay. Now that into that s into s. So that is equal to that. S is a equal to s into s. So that number into that number, that's equal to that. So I have said that when we open the bracket, we need to close. That's a logic. Next thing, next line. So now you not need to program anything. Okay, do not need to open the portal or program. So after I'm teaching, after the classes, you can try programming this. Okay. So if you need, you can take some screenshots. That's enough. So next line, that is we need to get print bracket and inside the inverted comma the square the square is done. We will be just uh, going after that inverted quotes, then we will be putting a comma, then that's a. Okay, so that's a. So now let's run. Okay, run. So running, it's according to your internet. Okay, if your internet is speed, it will come fast. So enter the number. We have got the result. Okay. So now I am typing 5. Okay. Now I will put enter key. The square is 25. See, we have what we can now give a big number. A calculator can't solve this. Okay. It will show a number and into 81 or something else. No need R. Okay, we have given a big number. Oh, I stopped it. We need to press on the enter key. Okay, big number. The square is, see, we have got the correct square of that number imperfectly. So this is the code for finding the square of number. Okay, square of a number. Okay, so this is the format. This is the code for finding a square of a number. Okay, so that's it. See, this is a program. Okay, so this is a program. So that also we have got here. So now let's try the assignment. Okay. So first of all, let's recall. So area of a square is what? So that I have written here s square. Okay, s square is area of a square and perimeter of a square is 4s. Okay, 4 into that sides. Okay, so 4 times bracket that's equal to 4 into s. Okay, 4 into s. Okay, so first of all, let's go for this program. So the both lines are common. So first thing, side, yeah, it's a side. So first line is same. Enter the length of any one side. If you can't follow till now, because at every moment we are going to new platforms, not new platforms, new steps, new procedures. That the length of any one side. Okay, any one side and the length. Next thing is that the first thing. So we do not need the second key also. So that we will be avoided there. Next thing is that So a first thing area. So we'll be putting A. Okay. So area of a square is what? S square. So we'll be typing S, and for square I have said that for determining a power we will be using two stars. I will teach you now after this. Two stars and two. So it's square. So now next thing is perimeter. So perimeter equal to perimeter of that is equal to 4 times S. 4 into S. So we will be typing just 4 into S. So that's all. Okay. Next line. Print bracket inside the inverted quotes the next thing the area is, and after that a comma, then A. Okay, area A we want to be replied. Area not, we did not need to type area. So at the next line, print bracket inverted quotes the perimeter is, after that inverted comma we will be putting a one comma, then P. Okay, so that's all. So now let's run this. It will take some time as per your internet basis. So I'm streaming this to our platform also, so it's taking some time. So it's very slow because of my internet is slow. Yes. Okay, so now it's arrived. So we are running three platforms in one. First thing, OBS Studio. Second thing, it's streaming to our coding platform. Yeah. So that will take some internet. Okay, so now the connection is okay. So enter the length of anyone's side. So we can now type 56. Now I entered here. The area is 3,136. The perimeter is 224. See, we have got the area and perimeter of a square. So this was our assignment. Okay, our assignment. So for finding, so for so now we have done program to find area and perimeter of a square. Okay, so now square is being done. Okay, square the program to find. So the program is this. Okay, so we have got the area and perimeter with some symbol codes. We only type some symbol codes and we give instruction. The computer give that. So can anyone say what is the medium of communication between the user and the computer? What's its name? Can you say? Can anyone say in the comment? Okay, so one person has said the correct answer. It's programmer in the chat session. So that's we have learned in the last session. Who is a programmer? A person who writes a program. Okay, so a medium of communication between the user and a computer is computer language. Okay, so answer you have wrote is wrong. Okay, so don't worry. In next things you can write the correct answers in the chat. Okay. So that's computer language, not the programmer. Okay. So the next thing is that program to find area, area and perimeter of a of a triangle. Okay, so triangle, you know that it has three sides. Yeah, three sides. Okay, so a triangle has three sides. Okay, so so program to find area and perimeter. Okay, so now let's do. Okay, so now let's continue. So program to find the area and perimeter of a triangle. So first thing is that area of a triangle. So do you know what's the area of a triangle? So as we all know that the area of the triangle is half BH. Okay, half BH. That means half into B into H. Okay, so that's the area of a triangle. Next is perimeter. So perimeter is equal to the three sides. Okay, so the three sides. Okay, breadth plus its height plus the third side. Okay, the third side. Okay, so at here we need to use three characters. Okay, instead of this we need to use one more thing. Okay, so now let's continue. So for that, we'll first of all let's continue. So first thing is that breadth. So B is equal to int bracket input, again this no need of bracket there, then bracket, then inside that bracket enter the breadth, enter the base. Okay, enter the base. B is not the breadth, base. Or enter the length of base. Enter the base length. Okay, enter the base length. Okay, so base length I have given it like this. Okay, so then closing that commas, then at next line we'll be typing height, that is equal to int bracket input and again a bracket inverted comma, enter the height or hypotenuse. Height is also known as hypotenuse of triangle. Okay, so that's okay. So next thing, side. We need one side, yeah. One side also. Yes. Equal to int. So here we have used three lines. Input, again a bracket, inside the inverted comma, enter the remaining side length. So here your customizable message. Okay, this message you can customize. So no problem in the message or etc. Okay, this message you can itself customize. So that's okay. So the next line, print bracket. So first thing is area. Yeah. So inside the inverted comma, the area is, and after the inverted comma a small comma, then the area of a triangle is half BH. So 1 by 2 into B into H. Or not like this, we need to use the next variable also. Okay, so we can type like that but in bigger programs it's not recommended. Okay, so now next we will be giving a variable a equal to, first thing we need to find the area. So area equal to half into b into h. So that's the area. Next thing, no need hypotenuse. Next thing, perimeter. Perimeter is equal to b plus perimeter, all the sides addition, b plus h plus s. Okay, so the next line we'll be typing print bracket inverted comma the area is, and after that a small comma, then after that a is the area. So that's okay. Next thing, print bracket the perimeter the perimeter is comma p. Okay, so p is the perimeter, so area and the perimeter is okay. So now let's run this program. So I will run it again. Okay, so here, so I have set that the rule as when we start a bracket, we need to close the bracket. Okay, so now I have closed the bracket. So this is called debugging. Do you know what's debugging? Okay, debugging. So debugging, debugging, finding the errors of code and re finding the errors of code and correcting is called debugging. So now we have done that. We forgot it to close this bracket and we have done it now. Now it's okay. Okay. So next it's, so we have done the debugging there. Okay. The third line. Okay, so like this. So this line also have a problem. Yeah, so now it's okay, it's now corrected. So now what we have done, it's debugging. Okay, so the thing which we are correcting the code, that's equal to debugging. So under the base length I will write 8, 5, then 7, then now I will get the result. The area is 20.0, the perimeter is 20.0, so everything comes same. Good, let's check once again. Here 67, 42, 31, or 91. See, now the area is 1407 and the perimeter is 200. So like this you need to find. Okay, so now this is a program to find the area and perimeter. So 3-line program. It's a 3-line program. 3-line. When starting it's 3 lines, so I said that like that. Okay. So this is the program. Okay, so like this you need to do. Okay, if you understand it, it's easy and you can write your own types of programs. Okay, so the next thing which we are going to do is, so program to find the, so next thing we need to type a program to find area and circumference of a circle. So you know that what circumference. So circumference means nothing. Circumference is the thing. So circle has no sides, so we are using circumference. There, okay. So now program to find the area and circumference of a circle. So area of a circle. Area of a circle is equal to 2. Then where's the pi symbol? So 2. 1 second. Okay, so we 1 minute, please wait. Pi. Okay, so pi symbol. So you can get the pi symbols. Okay, so the first thing, so area of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r is the area of a area of a circle is pi r square. Okay, pi r square. Pi r square. Pi r square. So that means pi means 3.14. So at pi then every time you need to give a value. Okay. 3.14. Then r, pi r square means 2 stars. Pi r square. Okay. Next thing, circumference. Circumference of that circle equal to 2 pi r. Okay. That's 2 pi r. So that's equal to 2 into 3.14. So here 3.14 into r. Okay, 3.14 into r. So that's the formulas. So now let's find it and find the power class. Okay, so that's the first lines are just common. So you'll be just using the first two lines as common. And you'll be just changing the alphabets. That's all. So radius and area. Okay, so that also needed only one line. Okay, with the radius itself, you can do it. So R only needed. So R equal to enter the radius. Okay, enter the radius, and at the next line, so next line we will be writing the formulas, and A is equal to 3 point the formula 3 area one the 3.14 into 3.14 into r radius square. Okay, radius square. So next, circumference equal to 2 into 3.14 into r. Okay, r. Then at the next line we will write print bracket. inverted comma, bracket, the area is, then after that a comma, then area is A, and at the next line we will type print bracket inside the inverted comma the circumference is an inverted comma closing, then after that a comma, then C. So that's all. Now let's run it. The other ideas I'm typing 8. So the circumference is 200.96 and 800 points. So today's assignment, okay, small assignment. Just do and send on the mail. A question, okay, a question. When we are typing the radius and etc., can we include centimeter symbol? What happen if we include that centimeter letters also? So do it and send program link. Okay, so at the place of 8 now I have done. You need to just type there as 8 centimeter, and you need to try it like that. If it shows error you can send, if it shows the correct result you can send it, okay, to our mail. So that's today's assignment. So today's class only this much. So hope today's class is clear. So thank you and have a wonderful day.